Hi there, this is video 3, which accompanies page 5 in your notes. Often when we receive data in Excel, it's not necessarily in a format we can immediately use. So sometimes we have to change some of the data to suit our purposes. Let's take, for example, column E here. When I look at column E, I can see that I've got F, which is supposed to represent female, and M, which is supposed to represent male. Now, I actually want to see the word female, not the letter F, and the word male, not the letter M. So I have a couple of tools I can use in Excel. First of all, most of us are aware of the shortcut key, Control F. Now, I've selected column E just by clicking on E, and if I press Control F, then what it does is it lets me find stuff, and it will find it only within the area I've selected. And I think that's really important because we don't want to replace all Fs with females or all Ms with males, because some of these people have got Fs and Ms in their names. So I've selected column E. I could go to find one and I could say, look, find the M's. And if I hit find all, in that column alone, out of the 200 records, 91 of them, it shows down here, are actually males. So I want to update those 91 males to say not M, but male. So let me close this, though I could just click here to go to replace. I'm going to close it because I want the opportunity to say select column E and go Control H. Control F is find and Control H is find and replace. If you're not a shortcut key person, that's all fine. You go to home in the ribbon and you go over to here to find and select, and there's find, Control F, and there's replace, Control H. But I would encourage you to start learning some of the shortcut keys for these things that we use regularly when we manipulate data. So I want to find the M's and I want to replace it with male and replace all. And immediately the 91 that we found earlier, the 91 M's have been replaced with male, and you can see that here in the background. I'm now going to go OK and say now find the F's and replace those with female. When I go replace all, the remaining 109, adding up to 200 records, are now updated. So if you receive data from a source or from anywhere in Excel and it's not quite in the format that you want, you can say find every instance of this and replace it with this. Now, if you don't select the particular column or columns or area, then it will do it for the entire sheet. So bear that in mind as well. But that's find and replace, and now I've got words instead of letters to represent my gender. Now practice what you've learnt, absorb what we've covered, and I'll see you in the next video.